This is the new P-Tech guard for the Beta 250 2017 model that I'm putting this on. As you can see, basically this came with a box and what you see here, and a couple stickers. No instructions, but should be pretty straightforward. So one of the first things you want to do is this piece here is held on by a couple bolts, Allen head bolts. You want to take those out, and then you want to take that bracket and position it in the frame of the bike. So the bike, you're going to want to remove the factory skid plate, and then that bracket is going to sit right under there. So I'm going to remove those bolts and I'll show you what it looks like. So with the bracket removed, you're going to want to take it, angle it to the frame, get these little flow tubes in behind it, and then just take it, and then you'll see it come right down. So basically you just want to let it sit like that. So that's what it's going to look like when it's sitting here. You can see that it just hugs the frame on this side here. Okay, so now you see the skid plate actually mounted up, and you can see here where you just put your bolts in on both sides and snug them up. And then there's one bolt that comes with it that goes into the back like your factory plate did. So I'll show you that in a minute. So as you can see, this is with it bolted up now to the frame, and then this here, you'll see the factory little speedy nut, and it bolts to there. So just keep the same factory speedy nut and just use the bolt that came with it and tighten it all up, and that's what it'll look like. I'll just roll it out and give it a little run around here. That's what it looks like installed on the actual bike, and you can see you have nice good gaps around everything. It's a really good fit. And on this side here, yeah, looks good. So all in all, this should take you probably about 10 minutes to put on, providing everything's pretty clean, but other than that, it shouldn't take long at all. Pretty simple. Again, this is a 2017 Beta 250 RR.